Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how I improve V0's design in Figma. So, whenever I want to do something like this notification pop up, I just go into V0 and type everything I know about it, and I create a basic layout like this, and I just look at it for inspiration and I improve it with what I need. So this has the activity feed, eight here, set of tabs, uh, something to carrot to close and open it settings. I ask for the settings, some tabs, and some notifications like this. So this has some icons that I have wanted, but this looks okay, but I want it specific to my design and how I think it should be, right? So I take this as inspiration because this is good. It asked whatever I wanted, but I wanted to improve the design a little bit. So I go into Figma, I try to recreate it accurately at first, and then I work on it. So here I added some more icons for specific things. I added colors for the things here. Instead of background colors, I added even more subtle colors just for the icon, and I remove some things like this. I remove this because that can be a badge. I remove the carrot over here, which was right here, which is not needed. I made the tabs much smaller and much easy to see, and all the colors are now tailwind slate colors. All the borders are zero point 0.5 pixels, which will look great in retina screens. I joined this to just to make it visually appealing. Yeah, so I'll just go and adjust something. I'll try to recreate it at first, and while I'm creating, I'll just go and adjust some stuff, adjust some fonts, which is also sometimes not good here because these two can be the same size. This is way too big for a small card, so I'll just go and adjust the font sizes, adjust the font weights, adjust some of the tabs like this towards something modern. And V0 tends to create like lots of borders, lots of lines, but I prefer much more clean, modern, slick layout. So I just go and adjust some things, and it'll most of the time look better. So yeah, V0 is great for V version 0, as the name suggests. So whenever you need a first version, you can go and uh, design something and then have that as inspiration for your design. So you'll get started like 5 times faster, and with your design knowledge, you can design something better than what V0 gives you. Yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you like this kind of videos, and I'll make more. Bye bye.